Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to change date format in MS Excel. So you can see that I have a date column here and it has some date values in it. So the current format is DDMMYY. So if you want to change the date format to DDMMYYY, then the way to do it is just select that cell in which you want to change the date format, and after selecting that cell just click on this small icon in this number section. Now the default locale, that is the location mentioned here, is English United States. Now just change it to English India. So here it is, just select it, and now you can select the date format from the type given here. So you can choose any of the types. So we want the first one and it is selected. Just click on the OK button. So you can see that we have changed the date format for this specific cell. Now if you want to change the date format for this whole column, then just select this column by just clicking on this E column. By doing this, it will select the entire column, and now again click on this small icon in number section, and under category just select this date, and you can see that the required format is already selected. So just click on the OK button. So you can see that we have successfully changed it to DDMMYYY. So this is the Indian format. Now if you want to change it to the US format, that is MMDDYY, then again select this entire column by just clicking on this E letter, and again click on this small icon in number section, and now change the locale or the location from English India to English United States. So just select this one, and now just select this. So this is the MMDDYY format. So after selecting it, just click on the OK button. So now you can see that it has changed it to MMDDYY format. So this is how you can change the date format in MS Excel. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.